Yeah, it's just not close yet. You're good if you need to do something. Alright, you good.
My boy ready, look at him.
Why is that bottle done?
Bro, that's what I'm saying,
Yeah, bro.
Teslito here trying, nor still.
Is that the only thing we have here?
It was that in meta, but that broke.
You said what?
It was that in meta, but it broke.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind 710 though on meta.
Me neither.
Yeah. Tesla's still holding here, in my opinion. Or was.
Where do y'all like it at? Like I got an alert at 335.70 right now.
That's what I have right now.
Same.
Same.
Breaking a 1 hour trend right now.
Wait, what do you guys have your alerts at?
70
70.
cents.
Of 335?
70.
Yeah.
The only thing we need to worry about is the 30-minute trend.
Which is at?
Yeah, but that gives us to
It
like
gives us room
338,
to
right?
338.60.
In my like trade idea that I wrote down, I would like take it into 338 and then do 340 separately. If we get that.
Yeah, 335.70, I believe they're looking at. Just gotta give it a sec here. It would have been like a 40% gain, George, if we swung and just closed that open.
Yeah, 40? That's crazy, bro.
I don't see anything that's standing out here. Nvidia pullback again at 145. Amazon still stuck at 217.
I think I had something on Amazon, but not till 219.
Meta pulled back, I believe, right? Yeah, only a damn. Where Biggie at?
Biggie on the way, but this is a G50 for Tesla, bro.
I didn't get home till like 10 o'clock last night.
From the gym?
Came down there was tight.
You did? You be here in a few minutes.
Huh?
You be here in a few minutes. I think a beer. What?
You just had 3 different conversations
You
at one
be here in
time.
a minute. Beer is combed up.
Yeah.
And he be in a minute.
I know I'm saying when I got to the crib, Bear was mad as hell.
Just be patient, guys.
He peed a little bit on the floor.
Oh, the excitement.
Yeah.
That nigga beer had a good chrome one and this shit, man. This one look untrue too. Just fuck with this shit, bro. Tired of this shit.
You haven't slept?
Who?
You.
High as hell. I ain't sleep. I went to sleep last night. I said ass. That's what I feel.
Wait, so you woke up and you chose to do that?
I
I thought that would be more acceptable if you haven't gotten to sleep.
Let's
Waking
try and
up to
open
the
price
dawn is
again.
crazy.
Wait, so where's your alert, Frankie?
70.
335.70?
Yeah.
Okay. It's getting there. How is everything else doing?
You know it's healthier to drink in the morning than it is at night? Because it doesn't mess with your sleep.
Cleans your digestive system.
You know who said that? Brian Johnson.
I don't know who that is.
Bro, the guy who made Venmo.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
He said he used to drink during breakfast.
I got full contracts
Because of that
just
reason.
waiting to get in on Tesla. So yeah, just trying to see what it's gonna be for whenever they see me in. Hopefully it should go up. Go
don't have any downside, right, Frankie?
Right now.
No, I don't
This is
personally.
what's
No.
going on for every minute.
All right, for the people who are new, we've been having bangers every week. You could just ask the chat. Every day. So we're just being patient here. It's not that we're not rushing. The only thing that could have happened was the first can on meta, but like you guys know, I don't play first candles. Or 98% of the time, I don't play first candles at
Yo,
least.
Frankie,
What's up?
that setup would have been nice on the retest. That's the.
I just looked at it on the side. Yeah.
Oh my god. But it is what it is.
Wait, what setup y'all talking about?
It was I was telling them that there was a stock that I was watching just to see how it moves for days where I don't have anything, just to get better at it. Just because the setup was really nice. I sent it in the chat. I didn't want to send it on free day, so people would like freak out. But the actual retest went crazy. I sent it in this iMessage earlier. I think Tesla's starting to creep back up here.
Yeah, I like this candle. Huh? Oh, I don't think they can see that. I need to clean up today.
You have the cleaners?
Hmm?
You
The
don't
clean-
have the cleaners?
No, the cleaners just don't clean my desk. I tell them don't touch this.
What's these? These are the things that what's the name had?
Mm-hmm.
It works? It
Mm.
works?
OD. I do it throughout the day. You want one?
Wait.
Who's that? E?
Yeah. Supposed to be in a minute.
Yo, come back tomorrow.
Yeah. He not slow, nigga. It's fucking Wednesdays. You think he don't
Come
know
back
about?
tomorrow. Remember the quotations? Come back. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yo, we right there.
Yo, we'll see you tomorrow, E.
You right there. We don't
No,
know
we'll
the
see you
fuck.
tomorrow, E.
That shit going like that. My phone, bro.
Yeah, I need 10 minutes real quick.
Think I'm over here?
Yeah, patience here, definitely. Boss man, yeah.
Kobe yesterday too. Where you going?
Tesla.
Yeah, Meta's not creeping.
Let me
Not yet.
Let me know when it's getting close. You see how the video's going?
Yeah. What is it? 60?
You don't like nothing on Tesla to the downside.
What's it at?
You look at views or likes? I'll be looking at likes.
Oh, Nor
Yo,
right there.
E, what happened?
Not me.
Yeah.
What happened?
Not me either.
Get that bread back.
Maybe if 330 sets up,
Says
possibly,
65.
Oh.
but nah.
Did you
I
see
think
my
I'm good
DM?
right now on downside.
From home.
Tesla employees from the store.
Might be a little bit of a
Fire
reach,
niggas.
but Microsoft's the only one that's pushing.
Accepted that money.
It broke all-time high pre-market at 473.50. But I don't know if you guys would be interested in that.
All-time high is 474.84.
Yeah, I'm just
Wait,
saying
you
it
actually,
broke
where'd you
pre-market.
hear that from?
Oh,
He works for the people like.
Oh yeah, they DM me on Instagram. They said, "Yo, thank you for coming through.
oh,
We love to
Frankie
see
wants
you,
to
but they,
trade that.
we had
I'm
to
like,
come.
"Thank you."
I
We
think
had
I'm
to
a
give up the
pass,
money.
yeah.
Let's go get it.
I tried, but to say now, this is the problem. I just Huey told me.
Damn, George, it's still going.
I told you that retest, and that's exactly how I would have took that anyways. That retest is
Oh my
crazy, bro.
God.
He said they not taking it because
It's
there's no
pissing me
like,
off.
crime.
I wasn't even gonna trade it
Now
today,
niggas
but it
don't-
just
Huey
pissed
don't
me
have
off.
money at now. Niggas don't
Did
have
you look at that before I sent that or no?
We have to test
I
the
did not
prices.
know. I looked it up because Scooter
Yo, that's
mentioned it.
crazy.
And I saw you.
Nah, I didn't want to take it in front of all
That's
the-
funny
I'll
that he
take a
just
look,
said
bro.
that because they DM me last night and I didn't get the
Everything
answer.
happens for a reason.
Boss man, it's crazy. I was talking about shop. That means, like I said, I wasn't gonna trade that anyways because Tesla and Meta were looking,
I didn't know that, but there was. I
were
felt
looking
like they-
good, especially on a
No, but
free
we-
day. You know, I'm not
what we
gonna
thought
mention
was
some
they
crazy
had
ass shit
money
like
in
shop.
Now we thought that they
But
was gonna give it.
more than likely, if I would have mentioned that even in the beginning, people would have got stopped out, started talking like
No,
crazy,
back to the manager.
losing their house,
The manager gave it back
first
to us
candle
first. Oh,
test,
you-
like
y'all-
usually
y'all don't
doing
know.
that, so.
The manager gave it back to us the first
Um,
when we did.
but
He only gave
it's
us back a
crazy.
band though.
Salespeople, niggas went and then gave it to the salespeople, they gave it shit back, and then we gave the money to the mechanic.
I didn't realize that's how people be acting, bro.
But now it's on camera.
People
They
that
were
act
so
like
video, so if I went to the mechanic,
go all in and
I'll get
shit
it,
on the
I'll get back,
fucking
so-
some bullshit.
Yeah, niggas say they about to have a whole meeting about that shit.
Word?
Yeah.
With the cops?
No, like nigga, I guess
Employees.
like the employees.
Oh.
Wait,
They're
why?
fired.
You take it.
Just,
You
I
take it
just
on
It's
your
against
money.
state policy.
Yeah, it's a,
I can't
it's
just
a
take money
policy,
like
God.
They can't make this.
How did they find my Instagram?
Who even put that in the policy? What
It's
policy?
hard to find your Instagram.
Yeah,
Nigga,
No,
shit
but like-
was
Oh no,
60,000.
no. They found out right away.
Word?
Literally within 1 hour, there was a comment about it.
Yo,
Word?
a nigga comment on my shit. I said, God. Niggas don't understand. They think I must be called NourTrades.
Nah, yeah, bro. The God is in my neighborhood. Caption fucked
We're
me.
just gonna keep on running with that
I'm
one.
going with that, bro. God is in the neighborhood.
He is.
Yo, but
God is
niggas don't
blessing us.
understand what we. They think I'm talking about myself.
They don't even get what that means. That
Every
means
time-
like
every time you
if,
put it over
if,
Nord,
if
they think
BJ
that you
runs
call
up
it Nord God.
if BJ runs up $1 million right now,
God is in the
neighborhood.
neighborhood.
He's around
God
me.
blessed us.
Damn right, nigga. That motherfucker right next to me. Man. Toe to toe.
Yo.
Nah, toe to toe.
Every day, man.
Yo, bro, stop it. All right.
Talking about, bro.
You
You
can
ain't
die.
lose
I'm
your best
gonna
friend.
hit you.
Yeah, I bet.
That's my means.
Yes.
You lucky with my means too.
What happens if I wasn't? Nah, wait. So we have to go get it.
Bro, I don't know where the money's at no more. Huey went to go ask niggas if the niggas got. returned the
Someone
money
got the bread game.
back. Somebody got the bread. He said.
Yeah,
I ain't
you
gonna lie.
know,
Someone is not about to just keep that bread.
They're
Nigga,
just
that was
up
the
right now,
whole
so let's
Not
be
one
patient.
Somebody's keeping it, bro.
Had like
It's
a
in here,
freight
bro.
run, like I mentioned before.
I literally called the police department. That's why I was.
Far
That's
no-
why
no
they
reason
come
for
here,
us
'cause
to-
I'm thinking about like I'll bring the money to y'all or whatever. Nigga,
But did you call Tesla and Graham?
To try to get
Call
Trigger
Tesla
happy here.
I don't tell him call him. He's out there. He works there.
Yeah, but that doesn't mean that.
I ain't
You don't know the manager. Just call, ask for the manager.
You want to talk?
I'll talk, but I just gotta record. That's all.
Yo, close that door, Ian.
We'll do it after this shit. Figure this shit out. I don't know. They told y'all niggas to get the fucking money back. Why the fuck we got these rich nigga shits, man? I hate y'all.
Nah, bro. The
No,
mechanics
it wasn't
had
that. I thought if I didn't take it back, they
They
would.
would keep it.
Yeah, cause the manager be like, okay, so
That
what
was
am I
only
gonna
the
do?
manager that was on that. Not the employees wanted to give it
Well,
back.
obviously, a
Because
manager gonna
the
be
manager know the policy, nigga.
But then it,
I'm gonna let the ministry fix your ass.
The manager know the policy.
nah, at the end of the day, bro, you can't block your own blessings. You give out money, you're not supposed to go get that shit back.
What blessings you have to return to send it?
Yo, bro. Nah, that ass though.
Next time, just
Bro, the video is doing better than
Yo,
when
look,
niggas
just next time, just go past.
not.
it.
Yo, is 3:30
But that's a beast.
a thought for you guys at all or no? Oh shit. Yo, is 3:30 a thought for you guys or no?
Bro, I was about to unmute and
I was-
ask you.
I think.
That drop was aggressive.
Yeah, I think I will for a scalp.
Yeah,
Scalper.
scalp as well.
Yeah. I'm looking at 320 puts, guys. Nothing crazy.
So you're looking at what?
Market's
What's
falling
your-
now. 320
what's your
puts.
alert?
On what?
Oh, now market is falling now heavy.
Tesla.
We need a better setup in here, bro.
It's gonna be better soon.
What contracts? The 25s?
20s.
20.
If you're gonna have that light on, then you gotta do it over again.
Nah, look at the
Both are valid, I
I'll talk about
guess.
it again in a sec. What'd you say, Frankie?
I said, I guess both are valid. Both
Alright,
have lots
I'm
of
getting ready
volume
to
on each.
enter at 20 cents. I'm in.
What you got?
Oh shit. Oh my god.
Wow.
320 puts for
Oh.
Tesla. That just paid.
I sold there.
Nice. I barely made anything, it looks like.
Yeah, same. What was your
Wait.
fill?
I made 700.
Bro,
Wait.
my fill was terrible, or am
Yeah.
I tripping?
I got 380.
376. Yeah, that was horrible.
374.
that's
I didn't
terrible.
even notice that. I sold half. I'm
Oh my
I sold
god.
on the break right
Alright,
there.
now it's paying.
I ain't gonna lie, I'm about to
Oh, that was so ass, bro.
Beautiful.
I made 300 on that. That's
Yeah,
crazy.
that was garbage.
Get up out of there. That's the goal. That's the scalper. That's not
Beautiful.
The I be jamming my stuff. Fuck.
Still going.
Rev, exactly. And that's what I got. I mean, it is what it is. 300 is 300
Good
positive,
shit.
right?
Yeah, I'm happy I got out of there.
That was just a calm scalp, guys. It was something real quick. The contracts for a sec was just not paying. I was like, whoa. Yeah. But I think it was just, I don't know if I got a late fill there, did I?
I think we all got the same fill, bro. Because Kevin sent his, and it's the same as mine,
Is-
pretty much.
I think implied volatility. I mean,
On
it's
the-
just.
On the 25s, I got 543 to 577.
That's decent. It's a
So, I mean,
dollar
like-
scalp, and it's been moving crazy, so I guess it's fair.
I sold early too before you guys did.
Yeah. How'd the chat do? Chat, did you catch that?
Yes,
It was a good, quick scalp. Nothing serious about that trade. You got a bounce here, George. All right, so what else do we like here? I think that's pretty much it. There's a level at 329 where it bounced off of. That bear flags, I'll think about it. Upside, we'll see if that even happens today.
This shit not confusing you? Nah. But it's locked on me.
It is, bro. But you look like. This is very like, it's just so a lot of like the calls we play is like breakouts of these. Yeah. Puts with us. These are trends. Just for every stop.
Holy shit. It's just like so much going on in these
I mean, I'm mostly just looking at the screen. It's like the main shit.
I just made a little quick, little dusty. I bought one contract. That should pay me $60.
That's, well, you only bought one contract?
I think no, I bought 3. I capped.
Huh. I was about to say. That was,
Just make sure I had it on one that I put it to me.
all right, as far as, let's say Tesla does move higher here, I would be thinking about an earlier entry. It just all depends on how we get there. I took an L on the downside personally, but the trade was green.
The only reason why I was in L, bro, because the contracts weren't moving.
Yeah, I personally took an L because of that. Trade was green though.
Yeah.
Recovery
I only
play's not ready. What'd you say?
No. No. That's what I was gonna ask you about that.
Back down. Here it goes.
Someone say my name.
What was I looking at? Was this a 30 minute? Yeah, 30 minute.
Should be chilling me, bro. I got balance out. My shit be weak.
Tesla dropping without the market now, George.
Yo, so who was that?
That was definitely North.
Nah, you don't know that. Don't just
I
start
feel like-
assuming shit.
I feel like that was Zoe.
It could have been Zoe.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it was Zoe too.
But anyways, yeah, I do like this downside here as well, setting up without the market there.
Should sound
Big
like
market
jingle bells.
push.
All right, well, let's see if weakness attends here. Market's pushing. Tesla's barely reacting to that. So divergence is here. But at the same time, this has been doing its own thing for the past couple of days. So we'll see. If Tesla were to come down, I'll signal that. And I probably will think about 330 again, only because this looks like it's about the bear flag. So this would look better on like the 5 minute, for example.
Bro, I literally told my buddies the same shit that I'm thinking about 330 if it comes down without the market here.
Yeah, and if it goes up here, I'll be looking at it around 330, 480, around there. Market just had its first red candle here from that rally from the bottom. So we'll see what happens here. How does that affect Tesla? Meta's back at 704. Still far. All right, guys, I'm getting ready to signal those same puts again. Half position at 330.12, and then I'm in half position, but I'm looking to add another half at 329.16. Hold on, let me set my alerts so I have that ready. Yeah, there we go. All right, I have my alerts set. 329.16 is where I'm looking to add to that position. It's just weak, you know? Doesn't work out. We you know, it's a half position, so it's fine. You see what I'm seeing though, George?
Bro, it just needs market just needs to chill just a little bit, and this is way past below.
Yeah,
those
now
days.
we're showing that we're ahead for now. I don't know how long that'll last or if it'll find a base, but for now this is I like this entry. I'm looking to add another half at 329.16.
I'm personally gonna sell a third below 329, Nor.
Yeah, I'm willing to do that too. Especially if we bounce immediately, I'm gonna get out with all of it. I added. Oh shit, there it goes.
I sold a third there. Oh my god.
God damn. I'm gonna sell half below 328, guys. So getting ready here. Obviously, you can walk away from this trade at any moment. It's a good trade. For me, I'm gonna sell half below. If we bounce too hard into 330, I'm just gonna get out. Because I don't want it to find a base here and then I'm stuck guessing. You sold the third below 329?
Bro, change the fucking contract number. I literally just told my buddies that I sold everything on accident.
It's all good.
Oh god, bro. I mean, I still made over 1,000 on that.
Yeah, that's cool.
So we need that active trader, bro.
We have active trader. Oh,
No,
oh,
but
the buttons.
the buttons. Fuck.
Guys, if we get an aggressive move into 330, I'm just gonna get out with everything. I didn't get to sell. I was waiting for a little bit more there. So I'm giving it a sec here. We need a rejection right here. Candle still closing below 330, which is nice. Doesn't mean we're good in the free zone yet. But this is part of a trade, like, you know. Sometimes it takes its time like this. So you end up catching that, or you were late?
I missed something, bro.
Hmm?
I missed something.
I'm saying, like, where did you enter at? Because I feel like you were standing up or something.
350s, bro. I'm like a different scalping. I did something different though. I ain't gonna lie.
He pulled to me.
Did he buy calls?
Did I?
What do you mean, did you? You're on the kid, chill.
I came back a little too fast. That shit beat my ass. I'm not gonna lie, they took my little profit for the day, but it ain't down nothing crazy. I ain't down $1, so I'm good to go.
So
Going to the bathroom, gym. Oh,
aren't you green?
I'm green. There's bond. You heard me just say, whoa.
Yo, you don't do that.
Bro, I'm negative from where I started.
Playing, bro.
I'm not like my beard, nigga. You look like a kid.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right, I'm about to walk away from this trade. It looks like we're creating a base, and I don't want to be part of that. So any more of a move here, if we start closing above 330, I'm going to walk away. Contract's holding up decent, so not like it's a bad trade. Frank, you watching anything on Tesla?
I'm just waiting for the upside to come around. That's it.
Where do you want it?
Pause. Around 335.70.
What?
Yeah, Frankie catching on.
Oh, that was a good one, Frank. That was
I was
nice.
gonna say that too.
Yo, come on, bro. Stop. Where, Frankie?
335.70.
All right, so you're still keeping the same entry.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything extra today. I don't think today's the day for it.
All right. I might be in a little bit earlier than you guys. Then I'm gonna think about taking at 335 most likely. All right, these contracts gotta go ASAP Rocky here.
What's that button at the bottom too?
Where I'm refreshing. I'm looking around. There's still nothing going on. Even like the stocks that we don't really like, Google, just consolidating. If Tesla were to get a momentum, because it keeps rejecting here at 332, guys, I'd think about 330, 350 if we got the right candles there.
Yeah, I like the flat top there, bro. I think playing it the 330, 350 is better because my original thought was 332.80.
Yeah, I just don't want to be too early to the upside because the wicks right there is a little wild.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah.
All prize.
All right. Well, I'm not muted on YouTube. I'm streaming.
Yeah, just call me when you think something about to happen, guys.
All right. Oh shit. You see this, George? Still rejecting here.
Yeah, yeah, still rejecting here. QQQ and ES both here in the spots where they can either break out as well or reject again.
Yeah, the problem is Tesla's just doing its own thing because the pullback here in the market didn't affect Tesla. I think you're gonna get a pop here through 332. Let's see if it holds though. We'll see. I'm getting the 340 calls ready, guys, just in case.
Yeah, that's what I have loaded as well here.
There it goes. That's finally a green candle through that level. I might take a half at 333 and then another half at 333.50. Depending on how much they hold on this candle. I'm in. Remember, I have an early entry here, but I'm looking to take the other half at 333.50. If you guys just want one entry, you just wait for 333.50. Is Tesla going to recover every day here? We're just not going to get any downside? Oh, I'm
You're
muted.
by the way.
I didn't
if
even
you
know I was
signal.
muted. Sorry. Looking at 340 calls for you guys. 333.50. I'm in. Whoa. Alright, real quick. Alright, there it goes. I might treat everything as a scalp today. George.
I'm with that. You're just looking for 334 here then?
Yeah. Wait, where's opening price? 334.35?
Yeah.
Yeah, somewhere around there. We broke above 332 where we were basically rejecting the whole time, and then we consolidated. Now we're trying to hold here above 333. Where's your stop, George?
Before 332 is coming.
All right.
Yeah, I sold right there.
Giving it a sec for the candle to close, but once that candle closes below 332, that's my stop. That might be my last trade on Tesla, unless we get that downside break, which is 329. My alerts on TOS is not making a noise today. It's always something. Yo, Kevin played the first candle on meta.
Yeah, I put it with
What
the
percentage
quarter
was that?
size. I sold for like 10%. I'm
Okay.
gonna check the peak. The high was 670. I got in at 590. Sold for 635.
So what percentage was that? Sorry.
Let me do the math.
I don't know if it was worth it. If it was a first candle.
No, it was like 15%.
It's decent.
You couldn't have gotten the sell up there. That was way too quick.
What did you do? You ended up selling where? On the pull, like it pulled back a little bit by the time you sold?
Yeah, I think I got filled at 607.50, around there.
Where did you buy it, like stock wise?
604 75.
704?
That was my alert.
Oh wait, the contracts or the stock?
The stock 604.75 was my alert.
604, 704.
Wait, check that. Oh, sorry, 704.75. My bad.
You looking at something?
Nah.
Here, go with this watch.
What is it?
You shining?
G-Shock?
Hmm?
G-Shock? You gonna get 10 breakers. Who's sleeping?
You.
I'm sleeping.
He said a close below 332 is his stop.
What happened?
Nah, this guy's asking what your stop was on this trade.
Yeah, as soon as the candle closes below. For me personally. You can use 332 flat if you want, but I'm just waiting for the candle to close. Yo, see, not, people don't have to come in the morning if we gonna make noise like this, bro. I'm streaming on YouTube and on WAP. I could get on WAP at home. Frankie, would you think about trading anything on Meta?
I was looking at 705, but I think with how today's panning out, I think I'm gonna stick to just waiting for the key levels. So like for Tesla, I'm not trading this until 335.70. Meta, I'm gonna wait till we get to that high that we made on the first candle,
Which is
and then
what,
Nvidia, I'm gonna
0709?
wait till 145. So I'm break even today because I tried the upside one with you.
Tesla has this 1 hour trend that we came back below again, which is at like literally where it's at right now. Hold on, let me see. 332.05. So it's rejecting here on the 1 hour, and the first candle of the day took us under it. So that's where it's struggling the most here at 332, and that's also where the original rejections were happening. So that's the 1 hour trend. How much is it up for the day? $6. Close that. Damn, actually, that's actually a lot.
Break even as well. It's not bad. I'm actually happy with my execution today. These are all the 3 trades that I took.
That's a lot. That's a lot, George.
Huh?
I said I know you're lying
What?
because you sold your whole position instead of selling in thirds on the one downside one.
Oh, yeah. I was like, what are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about that. Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I mean, I would have sold 2/3 anyways, right at 328.30. That's where I was trying to sell, and that's when I realized I had sold everything. I guess, yeah, that. But I'm talking about, like, in general, hey, would you consider 650 for me break even green?
That's break even for us, yeah.
Yeah, that's to me it's
Yeah.
break even. Break even green. For me, like I think I've been anywhere from -800 to +800 is break even.
For me, it's around the 500 mark, -5 or
Plus
up 5. Yeah, I think anything somewhere near that is break even for me.
That's probably what mine should be as well. But it's just to me like if I'm down 800, even though I'm down 2,000, so maybe I take that back. But I don't know. It's just you try to look at the positive side. Like, hey, you're not down that much. You know what I mean? Like, you can make this back in one single trade.
Mm-hmm.
1 hour on Tesla is now trying to close above.
Nvidia just hit 50 cents.
That's $1 away though.
$1? I think it's 50 cents away.
Oh, you're taking it at one. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
I see.
They rejected there at market open.
Tesla ripping. What the fuck? Still going.
I don't see any news. 'Cause what the hell is that candle?
U.S. Treasury's business agreement with China in London will help stabilize U.S.-China relations.
Was that right now though?
Yeah, it just came in.
I gotta open Newsbot. Hold up.
Yeah, I always have news, but because I saw it at the same time the thing came in and.
Oh
and
yeah, you're right. Tesla's really the only one reacting to that though. It's an aggressive candle. Yo, Frankie, your entry's coming soon.
Oh, it is, isn't it?
Yo, the problem with that 335.70 now is it's right. Actually, it's still above. It's right above the trend now.
Yeah.
I thought it was right below. All right. It's gonna be a red day for me today. First one this month.
Yeah, alright.
No, it is.
We're gonna make it back.
No. No, the fuck we're not.
Shit. News at 10:30.
334 has a wall on Tesla. You might get a quick pop here, but it doesn't really mean anything. It's just there. Now we're stronger than we were before on Tesla.
I forgot it's free day. Maybe that's why we're red.
Wednesday, yeah.
It's always
There's a
free
fucking
day.
pattern on Wednesdays. It just broke 334.
What'd you say your alert was gonna be, Frank?
335.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna wait too for that level here.
I really do like 335, but I think, like I said, with how today's been moving, I hate these kind of days, so I'm gonna try to avoid early entries.
Man, that doesn't look bad though.
If today was smooth, like maybe like yesterday or like Monday, yeah, maybe I would try it.
I have a level at 334.48, by the way. Just rejected right at it. I didn't think that was gonna hold up right there. All right, market pulled back. Let's see what Tesla does here. Back below 334. If I start seeing aggressive moves while the market's pulling back, I'll feel comfortable to enter earlier at 335. But there's still a trend there, actually. It makes it harder. Where's Maki? This is like his prime time right here. He was cashed 2 days this week, I think.
No, he said he was red yesterday.
I was red yesterday.
Oh, you signaled yesterday?
Yeah, I had one trade. It was I got stopped out almost instantly.
I thought I walked away, and that was what I heard. Do you have anything on Tesla we should know before this trade comes about? We still got $2.
This thing is loading. You watching calls?
Yeah, we're looking at the 335.70 area.
I do not have anything.
What contracts will it be? 340s, Frankie?
I might have to switch. Yeah, that's a good point. I might have to switch to 340s now that we're kind of later in the day.
What were you doing? Oh, 345s?
Yeah.
All
Yeah,
right.
now that it's a little later and it's a little less volatile, yeah, I think I might have to do these instead. Nvidia's coming up. It is. It's 40 cents away.
Nah.
I don't think today's like a day for Nvidia though.
Yeah, out of all
I've been
things.
watching it. It's just been grinding with the market. I don't like NVIDIA when it does though.
I can't. Hold up.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just watch the video. I will look at that wall though. As of right now, it's like nothing. So I'm sure when it gets closer to either show me the real wall, or there's actually literally nothing there. They're not set up yet because we're waiting.
That Tesla reject was the first open price reject today.
What did you say, Maki?
We just rejected the open price on Tesla for the first time.
Yeah, 334.50 around there. That's where it was at.
Yeah.
I also have a level there, so not only is it an opening price, it's a level for me at least. It's trying again, Frankie. Candles are picking up. Even though market's moving a little bit higher here, it is trying.
Tesla?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm watching it.
Nvidia's 30 cents away from entry. Right? You would take it like 144.90, whatever, around there.
Yeah, NVIDIA would be till like, yeah, probably like 90 cents, something super close. I may just skip on that one entirely though and just focus on Tesla.
Yeah, because now we're $1 and some change left on Tesla.
Like I don't think NVIDIA is the one. I could always be wrong, but the way it's moving, I'm just not a fan of.
If we reject that opening price on Tesla again, I might have to walk away. I want to sit here and watch that all day.
I want to see us push above the opening price and then reject or bounce off of it.
We still have that stupid trend.
Yeah, that kind of lines up with your level at 335. That's the issue with how I want it.
And we have a trend there. Damn, my mouse acting up right now.
Jorge, you here?
Yeah, I'm watching. I'm waiting as well here.
Yeah.
We're testing opening price again without really... I mean, market's moving in our favor, but not moving crazy. It's just a green candle, really. Yeah, I might be looking around, Frankie, but just let me know if this gets close to opening price again. What is it? 334.50.
It's pretty close, yeah.
I just want to see if anything else. QQQ. You have any zones here, Maki? Are we in a zone for you?
I have a big resistance level of 536.60.
Oh, so we're pretty much there.
Yeah.
I think it rejected at 40. Yeah.
I'll send a picture. But it's literally right there.
The only way I see Tesla happening is if we have like a red to green into that level here. You need like a bounce and then a push straight through. It can't be a grind. Those grinds here are not going to cut that opening price here, it looks like. Because that's a level for me and opening price level. All right, this looks like it could be it. Let's watch the volume here. Rejection.
I guess. I think QQQ is gonna. Where's Tesla?
333.50. It's not close.
Yeah, Tesla's starting to hold above its support, which is good.
Nah, but if the market pulls back here, it's over, I think.
There's a relative weakness there. It just, I saw it late, but there it is there.
The 1 hour candle's about to close below that that trend that we were talking about before.
It's actually holding against the market there.
Yeah, but it's still right there at 332. The 1 hour trend is right there too. So basically, if this doesn't hold this candle here, and we have another big red candle here in the market, it's gonna be done here. Might as well get up. But it's doing well for now.
Look at how it's respecting the zone to perfection.
Mm-hmm.
It's right at your 332.
Yo, if we get to 334.50, Frankie, and we slide right through that, and market isn't pushing as much, I'm gonna take it at 335 before that trend. How many points does that trend have? It only has 2 points there. Maybe a half position at 330, like signal a half position at 335. We'll see.
I like the half position.
Yeah, because that, if we get one of those few candles going into that, I'll take it. The rejections are perfect here at 334.50.
I told myself if this would close below 40 cents right here aggressively, I would just leave this alone. That's Zosnor?
No.
Oh. Who's that? We got a Frenchie here?
Word, right?
That was BJ?
Nah, that gotta be Jaja.
Bro, I'm not even asleep.
I know, but you're like kind of a dude. You look like a bulldog.
You look like a gremlin. You just want to start.
You put a strong Jaja nose, you know?
You like Lucas?
You have a zone there, Maki?
Huh?
Yeah.
Right, 332 all the way to 328.
All right. Well,
It's still holding
closes below
every
332.
time.
I'm gonna walk away. Zone bought up again. Zone got bought up again, Maki.
That's crazy. I'm not surprised by the price action though, because that larger time frame trend, it's setting up for a big play. It just needs that consolidation.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yo, 1 minute trend just adjusted, Frankie. That could help get us through that opening price quicker. Where is that? 334 now, and then the opening price 334, like 50. There's 9 minutes left for this 1 hour candle. 1 hour candle needs to close above this trend, which is what? 332.05. So it's flirting right now. We'll see what happens in a second. Eight minutes. Looking better now, right, Maki?
It does look a lot better.
What's it at? 90 cents on that? It's 80. taking forever. Something's got to happen soon though. The candle's 6 minutes till close of the candle. We're either gonna walk away or this trade's gonna happen. But I think,
happen.
huh?
It's gonna happen.
Yeah, it looks like it, but at any moment this could just give up here, bear flag down, and now we're done. But as far as the chart wise, this looks healthy. Let me see how it looks on the bigger time. Oh, 4 hour. All right, Monkey, say never mind, bro. Look at this. This is right before the hour candle is supposed to close.
It's 5 minutes left, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's close enough.
Nah. Dollar away.
Big shit protesting, you know?
My mom said it was bad.
Huh?
My mom said it was bad.
Yeah, it got crazy.
With the ice.
Over 100 people got arrested last night.
Yeah, the real good.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that shit too.
I didn't know that was about to happen.
Like shit like that, like that.
On the volume profile,
Mm-hmm.
Tesla in this range from 330 to 350 typically moves about $7 a day. So that puts us at a maximum target of 342.
342.
Yeah, as a max target if it plays out, which is far.
That rally on that happened yesterday. Late day. Alright, there it goes. I think this is where it gives up. I'm gonna walk away in a second here if this doesn't get bought up in the zone again.
Guys, if this drops, I would not play lower day on this because that lower day is a $6 move, $6.50 from the open price. So it doesn't have much room below that. It's gonna be at its $7 target by the lower day. Because a $7 move puts Tesla at 327.50. It would be a tight play. So if we drop, just chill out, call it a day.
Maki said chill out. Nah, I'm 100% walking away.
Huh?
Nah, once this is over, this candle closes. It's gonna be my first red day in fucking 15 days, I think. Something like that. Remember I texted the chat yesterday, Maki? I said I gotta chill today.
Yeah. That's why you withdrew.
Yeah, I withdrew 80 yesterday. I'm gonna need you to sell me my loss today, alright?
I got you, boss. Anytime, any day.
Yo, this zone, bro. I'm just trying to walk away or take this trade, and nothing's happening. One minute left till 1 hour candle, Maki. What is that? Oh, 1 second. There it goes. Let's see what they do.
Yo, my adrenaline is increasing. That's how I know a big move is gonna happen.
You think it drops?
I think it bounces. If it drops, I'll be surprised.
You need a sharp bounce here, though. The longer it takes here, the higher the chance they let this go here past or through the zone, which is like, what is this, 330?
Why is the market so slow? Because Tesla's in a congestion range. So it's expected.
Is that Osmo?
This is on QQQ. I do. I sent
Hmm?
it earlier. I'll send it again.
Yo, can you do me a favor? I gotta go pee.
Yeah.
Alright. I got 300 contracts. If this alert goes off, just sell. You gotta press it twice, but don't press it back to back.
I'm
just
not
like
looking at
click
downside
it and then
because
click it again.
I
You
feel
know what I
like
mean?
he wants to test that
Wait, if
CPI.
the alert goes off, sell?
Yeah.
Or whatever
Are
the
you
news
in?
was
Yeah.
high.
Press.
Yeah,
So-
CPI is there.
Oh fuck up.
If which alert goes
So
off?
I think he wants to test like
Orange,
537.
There's two alerts.
No, this one.
Which on NQ would be
That's my
Oh,
stop
you have
loss.
calls?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
22,105. And then from there, make a decision. All right, Ian. Yo, you're a good luck charm, bro. Just stay there. Don't move.
Maki. Maki.
Yo, Ian.
God is in the neighborhood. He's all around us right now.
I'm gonna use that next time.
Good caption.
Now you always come up with these punchlines. You read a lot of books?
Nah, I listen to rap music. Hmm?
It hit it?
Nah. Huh?
How close is it?
No, I'm doing my own thing now.
Oh, shit, get up. Yo.
What happened? Yo, Maki.
Yep.
He wants me to get up, but I think
No, don't do it.
I think we're ready to do our own thing over here. Yep. I accidentally opened Discord and I don't know what happened to the YouTube.
Just press this.
Which one? That?
Yeah.
Should I unmute?
Huh?
Oh, wait. Why was it? Oh.
Maki's zone bought up again, huh?
It's looking good.
Oh, I didn't even see the chat. Ian, and you in charge of selling. If it stops, focus. We don't stop. Ian, click buy. Full port puts.
Alright, get up, bro.
Huh?
Yo, get up. Get up.
He kicked him out.
Ah, my legs.
The 1 minute trend line on Tesla broke, but the stock doesn't really care about that. It cares about the 1 hour. The larger time frame.
Matt, you done for the day?
Yeah.
All right.
Notice how it doesn't care about the 1 minute trend.
Yo,
Broke and
that's
wicked right back above.
yeah. Wait, where's the 1 minute trend?
It's just a tiny one from like 10:30.
This is oh my god. Yo, this is like what is that? The fifth time it's tried that zone.
NQ is dumping like crazy. It's setting up a puts play for me, but I think I'm gonna skip it.
There goes that. All right.
So Tesla's dropping. If it gets to low day, word of advice, don't play it. Because Tesla can only move about $7 a day in this range. The QQQ trade played out without me. Right at the resistance.
All right, Maki, I'm walking away. Let me know if anything happens.
Alright, boss.